It is April 29th, 2009. It is approximately 7:30 p.m. We are just north of Paduca, Texas, watching a massive supercell heading northeast. The supercell has had a tornado warning on it already, several actually. Reports of several tornadoes from this supercell. It's got strong rotation in the cell, and it is looking good. Looks like we got a wall cloud. Ooh, look. With the lowering.
Look at it, it's green.
Look at this lowering back here, guys. Look where the camera's pointed. Did y'all see that?
Yeah. Look how green it is back there. It turned green.
Is that?
Is it?
Could it, get us on the other side. Get us further up north.
Yeah, I guess.
Possible lowering in the wall cloud.
I see that right there,
It's
but
kind of hard to see it.
it doesn't look like
It's green. The clouds are green.
Large hail in this storm.
Oh my god. He's got the yellow pants. It's green. The clouds are green. Dude. We are in a better position. Hey, it's beautiful. Look at it.
Another possible lowering in the wall cloud. This thing is rotating like crazy.
Dude, this entire thing is rotating. Wind picking up.
Wind starting to increase, precip starting to increase. Okay, we're starting to run into some hail. I can't tell the size. Okay, we have very large hail hitting the vehicle and we're under a tree.
See how windy it is?
Lots of wind, lots of rotating winds, lightning,
We just lost everything.
very large hail.
lots of rain.
Oh, it's just... Okay, we're coming back through Paducah. The storm just went over us. We passed a down power line. Lots of trees on the ground. The roads are underwater. Really underwater. We are in Paduca, Texas.
Oh shit, Tim's about to come off that roof.
Just east of Matador. Under tornado warning at this time.
Like, okay, you can use my purse if you need to wipe it off.
What am I wiping?
Windows or anything.
Oh, hello.
That works too.
What is it doing?
Check out the cloud already. What is it doing? It's spiraling.
It's rotating. This could make it, guys.
She is pretty. Now it's gonna be right out there in that field.
It'll be perfect right in front of us. Or right on top of us.
I hope it's not on top of us.
Okay, she's going up.
There's no rain.
None at all. We're in a clear spot.
This is awesome.
See that on the end?
Yeah.
I don't know where they went.
Don't really care.
I see brake lights up there. That's a sign.
So,
Thunderstorms capable of producing in excess of 70 miles per hour.
Dude, I think we're that high.
this is a hurricane.
Looks like they're north of Paducah.
They turned south.
Turn
We didn't see it.
No, there's one north.
Look at the rain notching it behind that.
Thunder is south.
Baby, look.
That could be a wrapper. Could have a rain wrap in there. Look at that rain. No, it's lightning. Alright, we're right in the path of it. Let's go north up that hill. South.
National Weather Service in Lubbock has issued a tornado warning for central Dickens County in northwest Texas until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The most dangerous part of this storm was located 5 miles
Look at the end, look at the end.
moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. The tornado will impact areas near Texas highways 114 and 265 northeast of Dickens. A tornado may form at any time. Take cover now.
Where are we?
Abandon mobile homes and vehicles for
South
more
of Paducah.
substantial shelter. Avoid windows.
tornado warning's
A tornado
always
watch remains in
really
effect
far
until
away.
10 p.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday evening for northwest Texas. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for eastern Motley County. At 8:10 p.m.
I think that's just breaking clouds.
I don't think so. It looks way too nasty to be clouds.
I've never seen a cloud do that before. Me either.
That could be clouds, but
I don't know. I've never seen a cloud do that before.
I never seen clouds that low.
Down at like a weird angle. Whoa.
The thing that's getting me, when it lightens real bright, look at the top of it. You see what I'm talking about?
yeah. Well, if nothing else, it's a freak accident.
I don't know. That's pretty low.
That's really low. Extremely low.
It's disconnecting, it looks like. That's on the ground.
Yeah.